So my mother's favorite dessert is creme brulee. So we're going to make some. We're going to start by mixing. My mother's favorite dessert is creme brulee. We're going over there to do our Christmas celebration tomorrow. So we're going to make some creme brulee. I'm going to start by heating 2 cups of heavy whipping cream to a simmer on the stove. There we go. I am going to separate 6 eggs. I don't know how you separate yours, but this is how I do mine. There's one. Come on. Sometimes you just have to kind of grab it. Two. Three. I'll clean up my counter when I'm done. 4. This is 5. Oh, it's 5. It almost broke, but I saved it. This is 6. There we go. And clean this up. All right, to our egg yolks, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar. We're going to whip these egg yolks until they become a light yellow. At first I was thinking I should use my other whisk, but I think this will do. Actually, I am going to switch. Let's try this with this whisk now. All right, that's, okay. Now I'm going to get my cream. My cream needs to get a little bit warmer. Cream was just about to start bubbling on the top. I'm going to add some vanilla to the cream. There was about a teaspoon left in here. I don't know where my other vanilla went. I had bought some, but you know me, things disappear. Okay, now we're going to slowly temper this into our egg yolks. We're just going to add a little bit of the liquid. We don't want to scramble our egg. So we are going to add a little bit and whisk. Add a little bit and whisk. Add a little bit and whisk. I don't see any scrambling of eggs. Add some more. Why is my milk leaking like that? Don't appreciate it. That is pretty good. Now what we're going to do after we mix this really well is we're going to strain it just to make sure there's no bits of eggs in there. That scrambled a little bit. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to get my measuring cup because it'll be easier to pour it into the ramekins. I'm going to wash it out real well just to make sure it's clean. All right, let's go ahead and strain this. I'm doing it into this measuring cup so I can pour it into the ramekins. It makes it a lot easier. Not seeing a lot of, actually I'm not seeing any lumps, so that's great. All right, let's pour these in the ramekins. There we go. That one's not going to fill up all the way, but that's all right. All right. Now we are going to put a water bath around these, which I have some water boiling on the stove. And I might put that I'm going to use a measuring cup to pour it in there because I don't want it to get in my custards. I mean my things. We're going to do about halfway up. And this is called a water bath. All right. Now they're going to bake at 325 for 35 to 45 minutes. So we're going to put this carefully in the oven. Make sure it's not too hot. 35 to 45 minutes. All right. The creme brulees are done. They're finished baking. I drained the water out of this pot. I took the ramekins out. I put them on a baking rack to cool. They are fully cooled now, and they are going in the fridge to set up overnight. And then tomorrow I will sprinkle the sugar on them and brulee them, and I'll show you that part.